So, ayan, hello po everyone. So, ngayon mag-a-update lang po tayo kasi meron nga mating na updates from Sitaw. So, bali parang question and answer updates to, no? From Sir Dylan. Actually, sa totoo lang naman is hindi na natin masyadong ini-expect yung updates from them. Pero syempre, para maging aware lang rin yung bawat isa ma-share din sa inyo. So, ayan mga ma'am sir, kung nababalitaan ninyo, no, meron tayong mga kasamahan ngayon na, yun nga, meron silang mga nakakausap na mga abogado, no, para matulungan tayo sa kinakaharap nating issue na to para makuha yung pera natin sa New Sitaw Corporation. Pero syempre, yung mga attorney na yan, syempre kinakailangan ng attorney's fee. Which is, hindi naman basta-basta yung amount na hinihingi nila. So, yan po ay pinag-uusapan pa, no? Magkakaroon pa ng meeting regarding dyan, no? I think kasama si Prof. Vincent, no? Makiisa tayo and makibalita tayo kung anong mangyari sa meeting nila. Kung magkano ba talaga yung total amount or magkano ba yung singil ng attorney per head ba? Or may percentage lang na hinihingi. But I think kasi yung percentage na hinihingi is kung magkano yung pera mo doon sa negosyo na yon. So, for example, 30%. So, 30% ng pera mo doon, so kay attorney mapupunta yon. So, malaki-laki din. Pero, yun na nga, wala pang final. Okay? So, huwag tayong mag-conclude muna about dyan kasi pinag-uusapan pa, pinag-meetingan pa po ng mga kasamahan natin yan. And once na mapag-usapan yan, di bale, meron namang balita na darating sa atin na kung magkano yung kinakailangan. So, kung kinakailangan talaga, di ba, why not? Pero, syempre, kailangan masiguro muna natin na capable yung attorney na yan na kukunin natin na maibalik yung mga pera. Kasi mahirap. And also, sana, before siya bayaran is makuha muna natin yung mga pera natin. Kasi baka ang mangyari niyan is doble peligro yung mangyari sa atin. Binayaran natin and then walang assurance na makukuha yung mga pera natin. So, wag na naloko na tayo, magpapaloko pa tayo ulit. So, wag naman. So, ayan, makiantabay na lang tayo sa decision or mapag-meetingan nila Prof. Vincent. So, ayan, nakikita ko doon sa page natin sa legal actions to recover our money doon sa group na yun. So, may mga post doon na merong sinend or binigay yung SEC na format ng kung paano mag-file ng formal complaint. So, bago nyo i-fill out yung format na yun, basahin ninyong mabuti. Kasi yun na nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung mga form na pini-fill upan ninyo, na pini-fill out ninyo, basahin ninyong mabuti, intindihin ninyong mabuti, baka or mas lalong lumala yung issue and lalong hindi na natin makuha yung mga pera natin. So, mag-ingat tayo sa mga statement na bibitawan natin. So, ayun lang mga ma'am sir. Tapos, yun na nga, babanggitin ko sa inyo yung update from Dylan. So, parang question and answer update ito. So, wait lang, hanapin ko lang. Nasave ko yun sa aking Telegram. So, nakalagay po dito, from our AS, conversation with Sir Dylan. Okay, question. So, unang question, is there any update? It's already halfway through August and we're hoping there will be a plan for disbursement before the end of the month. So, ang sagot naman niya is, we will restart the payment once the bank process is approved. Walang katapusang approval to, guys. So, another question. For you, Sir Dylan, how long do you think it will take? Our sellers keep asking when it will be ready. Is it this month or next month? Thank you, sir. So, yung sagot niya, the approval process wasn't signed by me. It is not up to me. So, dito pa lang wala nang malinaw kaagad na sagot. Okay, another question. Sir, can't you ask the bank how many days or weeks we need to wait? At least we will know that there is progress and that the company is really working on it. Thank you. So, yung sagot niya, I asked on Monday and he told me that it would take another 2 to 3 weeks to review. Imagine, 2 to 3 weeks na naman daw, guys. If there is a problem with the materials, the supplementary materials may be rejected. If everything goes well, the review will be completed within 2 to 3 weeks. We can use the API to connect the payment system to make the payment. So, ito pa po, meron pang question. Sir Dylan, while waiting for the signatory of the bank or approval, sir, why not start use the API now so that the sellers can receive something? It's been almost 2 months since Sitaw stopped operations and the money has been pending for too long. So, ang sagot ni Dylan, haven't gotten the API documentation yet. Okay, another question, Sir Dylan, why not also document the API since in your last announcement, you mentioned you were waiting for API to be fixed and to conduct tests while waiting for the bank's approval. This could help avoid further delays for the sellers who have been waiting for months without any proof or assurance. At least, you would have some options to use once the API is approved and the bank to be used is signed. With these options or methods, the company can promptly return the seller's money and they won't have to wait excessive long. Thank you. So, ayan no, may mga suggestion na binibigay sa kanila. Tingnan natin ano yung sagot niya. So, yung sagot niya, the API I got is just a test version. So, test version daw yung nakuha nila. And I need it to be approved before I can get the official version. So, test version pa lang pala ng API yung nakuha nila. So, wala pa talaga yung official na version. So, ito na naman. Okay, another question. Okay, Sir Dylan. We're hoping that as soon as possible, the money of the Filipino sellers, OFWs, etc. who work hard for it will be returned without delay or ending up with nothing. Every seller has their own needs and they need to receive their money. We're also looking forward to your regular updates because that's what we both employees and sellers need as well. Thank you. Okay, yung sagot ni Sir Dylan, I am facing this independently. I am not running away. I am actively dealing with it. Please appease the seller. I will restart the payment as soon as possible. Okay, kayo nang bahalang gumusga dyan ha, mga ma'am sir. Okay, last question. Sir Dylan, is there really no proof that you can provide, sir, that there is a bank involved? So ito talaga yung hinihingi natin. Yung pruweba na meron talaga silang inaayos, di ba? Even small information showing that the company is actively working on it would prove its legitimacy. This is what the sellers are looking for right now because they have been waiting for a long time and need to see proof that there is banking process that can be disclosed to them. Thank you. So, ang sagot ni Sir Dylan, we're sorry, but we can't reveal the document as it's confidential. Ayun lang. So, ayan lahat ng update. Question and answer na conversation with Sir Dylan. So, ayun po, narinig nyo naman yung mga sagot ni Sir Dylan ng New Sitaw Corporation. So, kayo nang bahalang humusga kung ano yung dating sa inyo ng updates na to. So, ayun lang yung ma-update ko sa inyo mga ma'am sir. And yun lang din yung nasagap natin na balita sa ngayon. Anyway, kapag may mga bagong updates, mag-a-update tayo kaagad dyan. So, yun lang mga ma'am sir. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye po!